Hi, I am Fidan Abbasada. In this video, I will talk about the molasses tank experiments in digital electronics course. In this task, it was asked to design a tank controller that will assure molasses in the tank have a certain level and warm enough before the outlet valve is open. So there are three inputs and two outputs. The inputs are level sensors, high level and low level, and temperature sensor, and outputs are alarm and V out. For the when the if the logic so the if the level sensors are covered and so the valve is open and it's zero logic zero for the V out, and but when the temperature logic is 1 and then the temperature is too cold and the molasses cannot run, so the valve is closed. And alarm is for systematic failures. For example, if the level low sensor is uncovered but the high level sensor is covered, then it's a sensor error and the valve is open and alarm is on. This is a truth table that for these cases, and as you see there's a V out and other force input. I used the feedback here because it prevents the tank from refilling until it has emptied to a certain level. And in order to find the logic expressions, simplify logic expressions as these ones, and for that I used the corner map, and these are the groups, and as a result it's the logic expressions. For the alarm, there's another groups, and it's from the truth table and the corner map, and this is the logic expressions. Now let's look at the Proteus simulation. There's a dip switch for 4 inputs, and this is the V out, and this LED is for alarm. And when the this case is for when the high level is 1 and the low level and the other inputs are 0, there's a systematic failure, and the valve is open and both LEDs are turned on. So when 4 inputs are 0, then the LEDs are turned off. So low level is 1 but others is 0, then the V out LED is turned on. And I will check these cases on the board, and I just constructed a circuit just like the same circuit in the board, and I will in the board. So it's my circuit in the breadboard. I built exactly the same circuit that I showed you in Proteus. This is the dip switch, and the first one in the dip switch is for level high, and the on position is 0. So when I want to turn it to 1, so as you see the both LEDs are on. It's the failure because the level low sensor is 0 but the level high is 1, and so let's look at another case. This is the and level high and level low sensors are 1, and in that case the V out LED is on, and when we turn it the temperature sensor to 1, the both are off because the temperature is too cold and the molasses cannot run. And so let's look at another case. 1011 1010 10 and 10. So this is alarm because it's also the failure. That's all about my project. Thank you very much.